Good morning, guys. Today I got for you a very nice knife review. Victorinox, obviously Swiss made, Bantam. Um, this was one of my first knives. So it comes with this one blade here. You also got a wire stripper there, a opener. This is a bottle opener or a can opener. And this here can also be used as a screwdriver to screw. All right, this knife also comes with a nice key ring here, and obviously, as with all the Victorinox knives, you do get your tweezers. Okay, you do get the tweezers there. Let me put that back. And then the other side, you do get your toothpick. So I actually lost this toothpick, and I just replaced it with one of my newer knives, the Sentinel that I got the other day. So just for the benefit of you guys to see what this knife actually comes with. This is very, very handy, I must say. I've used it quite a lot. Quite tight, nice and stiff. You got the spine over here, which is about a 2 millimeter spine. The inside looks like that. Victorinox Swiss made, Officer Swiss. So let me just close this here. Okay, and let's do the blade length quickly. So this blade length, say at about 5.5 centimeters. 5.5 centimeters. As you can see, I have sharpened the blade quite a bit, and this knife has served me very, very well. Really enjoying it, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it for years to come. Very, very handy, very, very light. I think it weighs maybe about 35, 40 grams. Very, very light. Nice key ring here if you want to put it on the keys. Yeah, the Swiss Army knife Bantam. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.